Hey guys, it's that time. It's time for the announcement of what you got to do to win one of these cool kits right here. Either the 67 Chevelle, the Foose Ford, Richard Petty's Grand Prix, Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s throwback Wrangler car, or 67 Plymouth GTX Hemi. Okay, all sealed. This is what you got to do. So I wanted to do something to prevent scammers, and unfortunately on the first video there were already scammers. So right to start with, before I even announce what you got to do, if you get a reply that says congratulations or something like that, reply to me at, or text me at some kind of, what is it, anyway, I saw it this morning when I woke up. It was like, man, they're already trying to scam people. Well, all those people want you to do is email them or text them, and they will scam you and ruin your phone. I have a friend that happened. Let me turn my phone off. But yeah, do not reply to anyone unless it's model car videos 58. I forget there's a number behind me, but anyway, you can tell that it's really me or not. They're even using my logo. So don't be fooled, please. Nobody's gonna, yeah, don't be fooled, because I'm gonna make another video that's going to tell the winner. So no need to reply to anybody that's fooling like their model car videos, okay? Just don't do it. Don't fall into that trap. The scammers are out there, but unfortunately, you scammers aren't going to be able to take part in this because you're not smart enough. No, you don't know my videos. All right, here it is. What must you do? What kind of scavenger hunt is this? Scavenger hunt, Matthew? How in the world? So there's a video where I mention there could be possibly there could be multiple videos, but I know for one, and the one that I'm really thinking about, and I made sure I watched the video, I made sure I said it, but I want you guys to tell me, and if you know it right off the rip, good for you. You've watched my stuff a lot. But if you don't, go back. It's in a haul video. So I've got a lot of haul videos, but it's contained in a haul video. And one of the cars in that particular haul video, I say, this is my favorite car. Your job is to tell me what that favorite car is. I thought this would be fun, something different, not a whirling around number generator and things like that. That's good, but I wanted to do something different. So what is my favorite real car? Not model car. Do not be mistaken. I'm not talking about model car, 125th, 124th. I'm not talking about plastic model. I'm talking about a one-to-one. What did I say is my favorite car that I would love to have? I hope some of you guys are like, yeah, I already know, typing it in. I will give you one chance. If you put multiples in, it's not going to work. Your very first comment is the one that's going to be the one that's counted. So if you put in multiple comments and you happen to get it right on down 3 or 4 second, it's not going to count. Very first try. You can guess if you want, that's fine, but you only get one shot at it. And if you do in fact know what that car is, if you go look through those haul videos and you find it, then you get to choose one of these cars. I will do then another video as soon as I get the results. Probably maybe tonight I'll get the answer. So as soon as that, hopefully tomorrow evening, I will put up the video with the winner. I'm not going to comment. I'm not going to say, hey, you're right. I'm not going to comment on this video. This video here, I'm not going to comment. So when you put your comment of what that car you think that car is, you're not going to get a reply from me. So don't reply to anybody. Again, avoid the scammers. I'll make a follow-up video, I'll announce it, and I'll announce the name. So This is going to be fun. I hope you guys are already digging. You probably already shut this off, but I hope you're digging. And I didn't do this with the intent to have people go watch my videos. That wasn't it at all. I just thought that this scavenger hunt thing would kind of even out the playing field, eliminate the scammers, being able to actually win it. Now, if you're a scammer and you take the time to go and look at all my haul videos, you deserve one of these. And anyway, this is going to be fun. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for your enthusiastic comments. I really appreciate it. And anybody can take part in it. I don't care who you are. You can be the top model channel on YouTube. That's okay with me. You can be my friend Jason Hanscom. Jason has no clue. There's zero inside information. Now, if Jason, you know, if you actually won it, people would say, oh. So I don't want there to be any doubt that this thing's legit, because it's up to you guys. So go for it, have fun. Don't forget to go check out, oh, I almost said Hobby Nut Models. I put this on my shirt, my sticker. I didn't really stick a sticker, it's double-sided tape, or it's a piece of tape folded over. I don't know how Uncle Sam feels about me flashing where I work all over the internet, but anyway, I did this. I think that worked great. So if I wear my work shirt, because I'm straight after work. Anyway, I'm rambling. Hobby Nut Models, don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Find everything you need there, as well as I want to thank everybody at the Facebook group, the Patreons, and yeah, thank you guys. I'm excited and I can't wait. So when I have the follow-up video with the winner, then we'll contact each other through the email. You'll have to email me, and my email is always in the description of each video, and we'll work this thing out. All right, go for it, and we'll see you soon, I hope. This could go on for weeks. No, it wouldn't take you that long. There's only about 50 or 60 haul videos. I don't know, I didn't count them. There's a lot. All right, guys, take care and good luck. See you soon. Bye.